Hi guys, I'm Shivi Tandon from Curious Confidence, and today I'll be doing a no makeup look using wide range of products from Lakme. Well, let's start with our makeup. And as I always say, makeup looks better, sits better on a healthy skin. So we'll start with our skincare process first, and for that I'm using this product, Lakme Absolute Idle Tone Refinishing Day Cream, which comes with SPF 50. I'm gonna apply it. So take a little bit on my hands, and I'm gonna apply it all over my face evenly. As you can see, it just sits on my skin and provides a beautiful base for my makeup. And yeah, here we go. Now starting with my makeup, the mandatory product that I have to use is a primer, and I'm using Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer, which is a great product, a value for money, and it comes with vitamin E, which is very good for your skin. I'll just take a little drop of it and I apply it all over my face and spread it evenly. So it creates a great canvas for your skin before you start applying your makeup, and it smoothens all the fine lines that you have, near your lip area. And I also use it under my eyes as well as over my eyes, because I have a little discoloration under these dark under eyes. And yeah, so my canvas is ready to paint, and I'm gonna use my next product, which is Lakme Absolute Natural CC Cream, and this is in color Honey, and this also comes with SPF 30, which is also great for us. So I'm gonna use okay, so I'm gonna start putting small dots all over my face. So that's how I make sure that it's going to be evenly spread. I'm going to use my mirror for that. Just check it. I think we need a little more to spread it evenly on our face. It is a very light CC cream, so when you apply it on your face you don't feel heavy, which is very great for summers. And I'm gonna just dab it all over my face evenly, as well as my under eye. And yeah, as you can see, it also provides a very natural glow on your face, which I love it. Actually, the texture of this product is what makes me fall in love with it. And it's so light and so smooth. As you can see, it has almost covered, like it's given an even finish on my face. And yep. So now we're done with our base. I'm going to use a weightless mousse foundation, which I'm not going to use as a base since I've already used the natural CC cream, and I'm going to use this as a concealer. So I don't like to use foundation on everyday basis. That's why I use the CC cream when I'm going out for an everyday no makeup look. And yeah, I'll take a little bit of this mousse foundation. It's one shade darker of my usual shade, and I'm gonna apply it under my eyes. I have a little bit of freckles on my side, so I do apply it there as well. And now I'm gonna just dab it and evenly finish. If you want, you can also use it as a foundation, because this is also another great product. It's also very light in texture and actually very. Yep, so now we are over with our base, and my skin still feels light, it doesn't feel cakey or heavy, which you do not want, especially during summers, because as you're gonna sweat, it's all gonna come out, and that's the last thing you want to happen to you. Okay, so the next product that I'm gonna use is Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color. So this is a multi-purpose product which you can use as a lipstick and also as a tint. So I'm gonna use this as a tint today, and I'll just take a little bit and apply it over here, just 3 dabs, and now I am gonna even it out. So this gives a very natural pink glow to my skin instead of heavy blush, and just stays all day long. So that's all we want. The product doesn't comes off. Yeah, so it's done. And the last product that I'm gonna use is the lip shade, which is Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. And I'm gonna apply it all over my lips. I just love this shade. It's so natural and it's so light. We're done with our lip shade. Our look is complete, but the last product that I'm going to use is Lakme 9 to 5 Eye Color Palette, and I'm not going to use any heavy shade on my eyes. I'm just using the most natural shades available here. So this actually removes the discoloration which I have on top of my eyes. Everyday no makeup look is complete. So if you have any queries or any questions, you can drop in the comment box below and I'll be happy to answer them. I hope you enjoyed it.